Hello, second graders. It is my birthday, Friday, September 25th. Thank you so much for those students who made me feel really good today. A group kids, I will see you Tuesday, and I have a special treat for you. And one of them is super spicy, so watch out. Okay, here we go. Here's the second read aloud that you'll be answering questions using the upload video after you're done. All right, and I'll go through that in the end, don't worry. Okay, here is Big Bad Bubble by Adam Rubin, illustrated by Daniel Salamiri. Here we go. You may not know this, but when a bubble pops, it doesn't just disappear. It reappears in La La Land, where the monsters live. Of course, that's where they live. For some reason, all the big, scary monsters are terrified of bubbles. Yerbert, what's the matter? Fruitful, why are you running away? Wampus, stop crying. Tell Wampus to stop crying. Thank you. Turns out it's all Mogo's fault. When he was little, a chewing gum bubble attacked his face. Since then, all he can talk about is how dangerous bubbles are. Have you ever gotten bubble gum stuck on your face? Or maybe even your hair? I haven't. Bubbles are sneaky. You never hear them coming. Where there's one bubble, there are many bubbles. They travel in packs. Summer is the worst time for bubbles. That's when they go into a feeding frenzy. Today's lesson, bubble facts. They are sneaky. They travel in packs. And when it's summer, oh no, they're all over the place. Don't listen to Mogo. He has no idea what he's talking about. I'll admit, it's a bit surprising when a bubble suddenly appears out of nowhere, but that's part of the deal with living in La La Land. On the plus side, donuts grow on trees, and the rent is really cheap. Wow, look at that place. It says for rent for $26 per month. Man, if people in Bozeman could be renting houses like that, wow, that would be incredible. Hey, look, here comes a bubble now. Yerbert, stop running around in circles. You have giant fangs. He's going around and around and around. Fruitful, climb down from that tree. Look at your claws. You have pointy claws. Wumpus, get out from under those covers. You're much too big for that bed anyhow. Yeah, I would say he's taking up quite a bit of space there. Bubbles kill thousands of monsters every year. No, they don't. Oh, yeah? Prove it. Look, here's a bubble. It's just a thin layer of soap and water wrapped around a ball of air. It's soft and delicate. It couldn't hurt a fly. You could pop it with a little finger. See? Yerbert, use your fangs. Fruitful, use your claws. Looks like they're pretty successful so far. Wumpus, don't be scared. It's just a teeny tiny. Oh, wait. That's kind of a big one. Do you guys see it here? He's a goner. Quiet, Mogo. Go on. Wumpus, you can do it. Tell Wumpus he can do it, second graders. Thanks. That was good encouragement. Kaboom! See? Mogo doesn't know what he's talking about. There's no reason to be afraid. Enjoy your bubble gum, Yerbert. Have fun popping your bubble wrap, Fruitful. Oh boy, that is a big bath full of bubbles, Wumpus. Tell Wumpus to save some of the water for the fish. Thanks, second graders. And it says, splash! Fine. Maybe bubbles aren't so dangerous after all. Butterflies, on the other hand, The Truth About Butterflies by Mogo Pogo. That doesn't look like a very calm book. Oh, and there they go, flying away from the little butterfly. They're always afraid of something. All right, we're almost done here. Remember, this is on getepic.com. GETEPIC.com. And you can go and check it out for free. We should start this quiz. All right, if you have a chance, pause the video and go get something to write down so that you can take a look, or excuse me, so you can record the answers. All right, pause the video. There you go. Let's start the quiz. Question 1 of 4, Big Bad Bubble. Who are the main characters in the story? Remember, the main characters in the story are the ones that you would see throughout the story. Is it Froofy, monsters, people, or Mogo? Well, I think it's the monsters. We are correct. What was the problem in the story? The problem is what was going on? What did they have trouble with? What were they trying to solve? Bubbles are going to destroy the world. The monsters were hungry. The monsters are scared of the butterflies. The monsters are scared of the bubbles. You are correct if you said the monsters are scared of the bubbles. That's 2 for 2, second graders. How did the monsters solve their problem? Solving their problem is just like, how did they get it done? How did they feel better at the end? What did they do with the problem in the end? Did they pop all the bubbles? Hide under the blanket? Were they eating the bubbles or were they running away? How did they solve their problem? Well, by popping the bubbles. There you go. How did the monsters describe the bubbles? Describe means like, what were they like? What did they say they were like? Were they fun and beautiful, sneaky, come in groups, and dangerous, scary, or harmless? They described them as sneaky, come in groups, and dangerous. That's 4 for 4, 100%. Nice job, superstars. Okay, let's finish up here. I'm going to go over to this document that I have. These are some questions that I want you to answer with your uploaded video and media. So this is the Big Bad Bubble questions. You're going to respond to me, and I will get a chance to give you a response as well. So question number 1, what are you afraid of? Is there something you're afraid of? Is there something that keeps you up at night? Is there something that you fear? All right, question number 2. Is there anything that you used to be afraid of but no longer are? So is there something that you've overcome, maybe you were afraid of before, and maybe that you're older now or just not so afraid of it anymore? Tell me about what that is. All right, so you're going to record that and you're going to send it to me. This is going to be on Canvas, and that's what you're on right now. So you can send it my way. This answer is due by your next class period. So Monday, Tuesday, kids, you need to answer, or you need to respond to this by, actually, AB kids, maybe you're going to do it on Thursday, or Wednesday or Thursday when I don't have you. Thursday, Friday, kids, this will be due by Thursday, so you should have it done by then. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. See you later.